Welcome back. RV102 Preventive Maintenance, Lesson 13, Air Conditioner, or if you have more than one, air conditioners. Disclaimers. Standard disclaimer on all Amazon links. It helps support me continuing to author books and courses. You pay nothing extra by clicking on that affiliate link, but I do make a small commission on your purchase. Everything in here in this course was written by me. There is no artificial intelligence AI in this course. Any mistakes you find are truly mine and mine alone. Lesson 13.1. Let's talk about the outside part of the air conditioner. It's up on the roof. So when you're up on the roof doing your maintenance, look at your AC unit. Look inside the shroud to see if the fins are all plugged up on the back end of it. If so, your unit won't be cooling like it should and it needs cleaning. If you're daring, most of them have 4 screws. You can take the entire shroud off, see if you got bugs inhabiting the area. Be careful in case mud daubers decide to make a nest up there. Also, while you're up there, if you happen to notice it raining inside while you're running your air conditioner, it could mean the drain holes are plugged up, as you should see water from your air conditioner running off the roof and not into your RV. I do take the shroud off every time I'm up there checking my roof sealants. Let's see what clogged and bent fins look like. Here on the left, we're looking at clogged up fins. Right? There's a whole lot of goop and dust and dirt and who knows what else. Depending on where you're camping at, it could be all kinds of things clogging up the fins. Those need cleaned. On the right hand side, you got bent up fins. Now, unless you've got some rocks or something happen to smacking up inside, getting through the shroud and hitting the fins, they usually won't get bent up. I mean, I'm on year 7 of my latest RV, and I have no bent up fins up there whatsoever. But that is a possibility. So let's talk about how to fix both of those. Let's talk about the straightening out of the fins first, because you need to have them straightened out before you can do the cleaning aspect. So to fix this, you'll want to straighten out the fins and get them cleaned. Straightening out the fins, 2 different tools I use. They can be found in the lesson, but they're also found on the store.rvingfornewbies.com under the maintenance page. I've used both of those kind to straighten out fins on various air conditioning units I've worked on. Either work fine. Then you have cleaning the outside. Okay, so you've got the coils that need and the fins that need to be cleaned. There's various chemicals you can use to clean them. Basically, you spray it on. And for this particular one, they say there's no need to rinse it off. I rinse it off anyway just to get all the dirt and gunk off of it. Lesson 13.2, air conditioner. So we're talking about the inside now, the inside air filter on your air conditioner. Look at this one. This is just disgusting. This is so plugged up and gooped up with dust and dirt and stuff that it'd be amazing if their air conditioning unit hasn't already been ruined. But look at your filters on the inside of your RV, the AC unit. Clean them regularly. Most of them can just be rinsed off, the dust blown off, whatever. Don't let them get like this. This will not let air in to get cooled from the inside of your RV and will eventually ruin your AC unit. And they are not cheap to replace.